Hello, how are you today? This is Bong Soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. Today I like to talk about dismissal in Korean labor law. There is a first dismissal or recommended dismissal or just unfair dismissal. So how to judge them is labor commission is Korean labor court where judges make a decision about the dismissal case. So if it is accepted or justifiable dismissal or unfair dismissal, they judge it. So they have some criteria how to judge them. So they suggest three criteria how to judge them fairly. So first one is there should be justifiable reason for dismissal or disciplinary action. So something like employee violate company regulations seriously, or they violate some basic companies the rules, or they in the while they're working, so they have some bribe, like they are engaged in some business gain through their work process. So something, it can be some violation of labor law. So it can be a reason for disciplinary action. Secondly, second criteria is severity of punishment. So according to the severity, so there are types of punishment like written warning, wage reduction, suspension without pay, or disciplinary dismissal. So when employee violates certain the regulation, then employee may given or punished for that violation, but it's not. Maybe in the beginning they'll be given some right, the punishment rather than termination. So employer the punish the employee with some dismissal, then it should be too much severe without giving another opportunity or respecting some types of punishment. It is related to the severity of punishment. Third one is company should follow the disciplinary process. So there are two types in disciplinary process. The first one is Article 27 of the Labor Standard Act show that employer must issue the written notice for termination. So written notice must include like effective date for termination and reason for termination. Also, it should be issued in writing and dispute to the target employee. So this is a written notification is very necessary because it is stipulated in Article 27 of the Labor Standard Act. The second one is every rules of employment must have some disciplinary action process. So if do not have a specific process, then employee doesn't have to follow. But that disciplinary process, employee must give some opportunity for the target employee to explain about the case, or they must hold disciplinary action meeting before they judging the case. So if they have such the rules in their rules of employment, then they must follow. If do not follow it, then it become a violation of a disciplinary action. I mean disciplinary process. Then it can be the illegal the dismissal. So there are three requirements. So reason for termination and severity of punishment and disciplinary process. Three requirement is very important in judgment of the dismissal case. So okay, this is all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.